Hi, everybody. What if you could handle your most repetitive tasks without lifting a finger? Imagine automating the small, time consuming chores that add up, giving you more time to focus on the big picture. Sounds too good to be true? Let me show you how AI can make it happen. As a virtual assistant, you're no stranger to the grind of daily tasks, whether it's task management, note taking, automating customer engagement. These tasks, while necessary, can quickly eat up your time and leave you drained. But if you could automate these processes with the right AI tools, you can streamline your workflow, reduce your workload, and still maintain the high standard your clients expect. Today, I'm going to show you how to automate these three tasks that a virtual assistant does. It will help you work more efficiently and boost your productivity. Let's start. Now, first thing first, managing your tasks with so many things in your to do list and keeping them organized is very tedious. For this particular problem, I use Todoist. Now, Todoist is very easy for me to use, for me to keep a track of everything that I do. Now, say for example, I have a task that I have to do every day, fill feedback every day. And you see, as soon as I wrote every day, it noted it down every day at 8 p.m. And you see, I can also keep it at priority one and I add this. Now, when I go to upcoming tasks, every task is here with me organized as per the day. Say, for example, this field feedback task is done by me today. Now, once I click it, it moves on to tomorrow. Once I do it tomorrow, it goes on to the day after. I can also add tasks like send report every Thursday. That's enough. At 12 p.m. Now, as I add this task, see, it is added under my Thursday. Now, send report. When I do it on Thursday, you see the next Thursday, it will be automatically right under my Thursday. So this is how you can organize all your tasks. Now, say for example, this is my task. I can also add description for this task. I can add all the documents that I need for this task, and I can directly go to this document right from my task manager. So I don't have to again and again open the documents. I can also add comments under this to be done by team. Commented. I've added a comment. I can also add subtasks. Say, for example, I have to write scripts for content writing. Which script? Script 1 on automation to be sent by Sunday evening. Now, Sunday evening, it has taken by default at 7 p.m. Now I add task. So I can keep ticking on every subtask also that I complete. Script 2 by Monday, 3 p.m. And it's done. So if I check my Monday and Sunday, on Sunday, you see script 1 is mentioned. So as soon as I do the script 1, and when I go back to this task, I will see that this has been already struck off. I can also label my tasks and group them. Say, for example, this is one label. I can change it to lossy code tasks. Change the color, add to favorites, and add. And under this, I can add loss eco tasks. And you see on your favorites, you have loss eco tasks right here. You can also add a project here. Now, say for example, I want to add a new project. Project US clients. Lavender. I can add a team member here. And I can also add a board or a list as my view option and see. I can add sections under my project, whatever I have to create scripts. And under this, I can keep adding tasks. Script 1 on Tuesday, emails, and under emails, send emails on every Wednesday. Next up, we talk about Oter.ai. Takes your note taking to a different level altogether. During meetings or calls, I have joined the meeting, you see. Somebody wants to join the call, I see. And that is my beloved Oter Pilot. So I admit it. Once I admit Oter, it will start recording my meeting. Look at that. Now see, you see this red button flashing here? That means it is recording. I'll show you how it is recording everything that I'm speaking. It started transcribing me. All right, so this is how Oter.ai works. It transcribes everything that I do. This is a meeting that I recorded on my Google Meet. Import here. So when I import, I see browse files, and once it gets uploaded, it will start transcribing. I click on go to transcript, and you see. So the entire transcript is right in front of you. Whatever every speaker has spoken has been recorded, transcribed. And when we look at the summary, everything is mentioned and summarized. And in fact, the action items, what all was discussed that needs to be done after this meeting, have also been specified. Then the key outline also has been mentioned. So it really saves your time and energy in order to get to the exact key moments and minutes of the meeting, if you could say that. Outline is here, what happened, what were the topics that were discussed. Next up, we have ManyChat. You can integrate it with your Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, and you can set up automated responses to common inquiries. You can create interactive chat experiences and even collect customer information, all without needing to manually handling each conversation. Customers receive timely response while you focus more on complex tasks. Let's see how that's done. I am on my dashboard of ManyChat. I simply go to automation and I create a new automation. I have already connected my Facebook page with ManyChat. I start from scratch, and when I choose new trigger, somebody comments on my post, say for example, I choose which post. Specific post, say for example, I choose this particular post on my Facebook channel, and I can choose exactly one word. I can choose somebody comments anything on my comment. So say for example, I would like to use comment contains specific words. What is that specific word? Say for example, it is great. And I save this trigger. Now, what is the message that should be sent? Hi. Now I can choose full name as a variable here. You're definitely on fire. Here is how you can get in touch. And when should it be sent? Within 24 hours or as a comment reply. Yes, as a comment reply to my button. I add open website as the call to action, and my website is and done. I set it live. Now let's test it. This was the post wherein I had set the automation, and the keyword was great. You're definitely on fire. Here is how you can get in touch. And you see, let's test this new button. And you see, I get redirected to SkillArbitrage website. So you see, all these three tools help you use your most expensive asset, that is time, so efficiently. Are you inspired to automate your work? These are just a few examples of how AI tools can transform your daily routine and boost your productivity. If you're ready to explore even more ways to streamline your tasks, join our upcoming bootcamp at Skill Arbitrage called Turbocharge Your Career. Start a consulting business and work with US clients using AI tools. We'll dive deeper into advanced AI tools and strategies that can make you an indispensable asset to your clients. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, working smarter, not harder, is the key to success. See you at the bootcamp.